My name is Ereddia, and this is my home. Actually, my mother's home, stepfather's home. He passed away in 2014, and we've been living here since 2015 with my mother. Florence came through. We evacuated. We took our animals and a few personal belongings, a few days worth of clothes, and our main focus was just to get to higher ground and make sure that our turkeys and chickens and our little fur babies were all safe. And this is the point that we're at now. We had to pull everything out. All of our belongings are now scattered on Shaw Highway, just up the road here. They've gutted out the house. We're down to bare frame. They're going to be pulling out the floors, and we don't know where we're going to go from there. We just appreciate the volunteers. That's where our resources have come from. Good Works, Eric with the EOC, Friendly Baptist Church. There's a long list, and a lot of people that aren't even with organizations, just individuals. And we'll just have to see what the future brings now, because we just don't know.
At times, my back was about to give out, but yesterday was one of them.
I'm pretty much done from here to that beam thing. Can't really get any more that way.
The only is we cut some